In this video, I'll show you how to install a free SSL certificate for lifetime on Cloudflare. First, there is one very important thing to understand. Cloudflare gives you a free SSL certificate for visitors on the Cloudflare Edge, but that is different from the SSL certificate installed on your own hosting server. Cloudflare's documentation explains that Edge certificates are automatically issued and renewed by Cloudflare for proxied domains, while Cloudflare Origin CA certificates are used between Cloudflare and your origin server. Cloudflare Origin CA certificates can be issued with a validity period of up to 15 years, which is why many people refer to them as a long-term or lifetime solution, even though they are not literally permanent. To start, add your domain to Cloudflare and make sure your DNS is pointed to Cloudflare's name servers. Then, in your Cloudflare dashboard, make sure the website records you want protected are set to Proxyed, which means the orange cloud is turned on. Cloudflare says Edge certificates are automatically issued for Proxyed hostnames, and they are automatically renewed as long as the hostname stays eligible. If your goal is to secure the connection between Cloudflare and your own web server too, go to SSL/TLS, then open Origin Server, and create a Cloudflare Origin certificate. Cloudflare's Origin CA guide says you can generate the certificate and private key from the dashboard, choose the host names to cover, and select a validity period of up to 15 years. After that, install that certificate on your hosting server. Once the Origin certificate is installed on your server, go back to Cloudflare and set your SSL mode to full, strict. Cloudflare recommends full, strict, when your Origin has a valid certificate, because Cloudflare will then verify the certificate presented by your server before connecting. This is the more secure setup compared with flexible SSL. One thing to remember is that Cloudflare Origin CA certificates are trusted by Cloudflare, not by regular web browsers directly. That means they are meant for the connection between Cloudflare and your origin server, not for direct public access to your server IP. Cloudflare's docs make this distinction clearly. So the simple version is this. Add your domain to Cloudflare. Keep your DNS records proxied so Cloudflare can issue and auto-renew the free Edge certificate, then optionally generate a free Origin CA certificate for your hosting server and switch SSL mode to full, strict, for the most secure setup. That gives you free long-term SSL through Cloudflare with automatic renewal on the edge and a long validity origin certificate on the server side. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.